right, keep it steady. We're hitting resistance at 6 meters. Roger that, maintain pressure. Bring it left, easy now. We are approaching the target coordinate. Roger that, coming left slowly. All right, Crane, keep the lift steady. Slow rotation clockwise now. Extend the boom outwards towards the pit. Easy now, easy.
Lower slowly, hold the east side.
Steady now, looking good.
Alignment confirmed, well done.
Get the vibrator in deep right there. Make sure it's fully consolidated before you move on.
All samples collected and labeled. We are good to go.
Bring it down slowly, watch the mark.
Okay, I've got the tie rod ready.
Secure the brace on your side.
Ensure the 7 to 5 mil spacers are flush with the formwork.
Confirmed. The concrete cover looked good here.
Okay, divers, the load is coming down slowly. Roger that, we have visual on the slings. Watch the current.
Temperature stable at 230. Beginning withdrawal sequence. Pressure set to 35 bar.
450 nigometers achieved on bolt 4.
Confirmed. ASME standards met.
Proceed.
All right, lower the main hoist slowly. Watch the green line on the west side. We are aligned for the wet well entry.
Okay, bring it down easy, a little to the left. Perfect, set it down.
Copy that.
Panel is set.
The grader can proceed. We have the final stakes marked for the MSF foundation.
Lower the cage slowly, maintain the alignment. All right, start the pour, keep that flow rate steady and consistent.
Keep breaking that down to the level.
Okay, moving the debris now.
Heads up on the pour. X-ray looks good. The EN 1.4462 is holding up perfectly.
Noted. We can sign off on this chamber.
Rigger, secure the rear slings.
Tension in the lines now. Check the weight.
Display shows 85.2 tons, confirmed. All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the east side.
We have contact, needs to come 5 centimeters west.
Hold position, setting the first bolt now.
What's the readout on bolt 12?
Right at 800 Newton meters.
Perfect. Log it and start the installation.
Control room, field tech here. We have a stable reading of 12.3 milliamps.
Loop check confirmed. I'll finalize the documentation on the tablet.
The level transmitter reading matches the calibrated values. Vapor flow is stable.
All right, verifying stage 3 complete.
TN is climbing rapidly, holding steady at 120. We have first stage flash, confirming distillate production.
Station 2, confirm grid line Delta. We are clear for the next pass.
Loosen the front bolts, insert the 0.15 shim, retorque to 650 Newton meters. We are now within spec at 0.01.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the coupling. Got it. Looks good here.
Okay, serial 745 confirmed. FilmTech SW30 HRLE-440I.
We have a sudden drop in PV input, activating the Fluence battery response.
The turbines are compensating. Grid stability holding steady at 2000.
The operator initiates the automated sequence, opening the inlet valve to tank 7. The level begins rising steadily.
Marker confirmed at point 42.
Roger that. Moving to the next. Keep heading west towards the Wadi. We're approaching checkpoint Charlie. Sand is loose. Send the next tanker up. Copy that. Tanker inbound. All right, drivers, listen up. We're approaching the stringing location. Side booms are hot, so keep your spacing tight. Over.
Easy, easy. Bring it left a little. Okay, set it down right there.
Roger, pipe is secure.
Final inspection of the GTS 65. The adhesive outflow looks good, and the holiday detector shows 0 defects.
Three, two, one, lower.
Okay, hold there. That's enough sand for this section.
Compaction looks good, ready for the next lift.
Initiating pump 3 sequence. Monitor VSD levels.
Copy that, Supervisor. Pressure holding steady at 805 bar.
Static head reading 5 bar.
Copy. Begin pressurization sequence.
Control room to maintenance. We have a priority alert at kilometer 237, valve malfunction. Dispatching a technician immediately.
The operator monitors the levels rising from 72 to 85%, triggering a flow redirection. Samples confirm.
The potential reading is negative 950 millivolts.
Confirmed. Logging the data now. The coding looks good too.
Keep that steady now. We need the welding crew ready at the next section.
Copy that. We are moving up now.
Flame photometry confirms it, 7,850 milligrams milliliters.
That's a 100-fold increase from the bittern.
Quality control to production. Batch 47 is cleared for shipping. Purity confirmed at 99.5%.
Salinity is holding steady at 39,200, a far cry from the historical highs.
The zero. This is the main pipeline valve control. Now, for the lockout procedure, we secure the lever like this and attach the tag.
Okay, I see how the system works.
المياه ممتازة اليوم.
هيا نشرب.
الحمد لله.
A $2 billion annual mineral export value represents a new era of diversification.